Well, what do you guys say for a startup? One phone is for the exhaust. And the other phone is for the engine. So, we are on a start. My grandma's 2009 Chevrolet Traverse LS. They're on the porch, so the keys are on the porch, so start my grandma's 2009 Chevrolet Traverse LS. Remote not work anymore? Yeah, it does. Alright, let's go ahead and fire it up. $140,986 miles. There you go. Sweet. This one didn't fall either. It's running really good. 3.6 liter V6, the variable valve timing, direct injection. My grandma will take really good care of this car. That wasn't very long either. Just wanted to do it. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you later.